Computers are curious things. They hold your favorite stories, but they aren't books. They take you to faraway places, but they aren't airplanes. They whisk you through history, but they aren't time machines. Actually, computers are all these things, and more. With the push of a button, computers help you play, learn, share, and communicate. They can be gigantic machines that forecast weather, or they can fit in the palm of your hand, like smartphones and tablets. Ordinary items like thermostats, microwaves, and GPS navigation use computers too. Even your family car has more than 50 tiny computers in it. Hardly a moment passes when a computer doesn't affect your life in some way. After all, you're using a computer to learn about computers right now. What makes computers so special is their ability to follow billions and billions of instructions, each and every second. That is an unbelievable speed and power available at your fingertips. They don't rest, they don't complain, they just follow. You could say computers are like a superpower, trapped in a small box. If you learn to control them, or better yet, if you learn how to speak to them directly like programmers do, they will follow your every order and will make you more powerful than the Iron Man. In fact, some of the most successful and most powerful people on the planet have done so just by learning how to use computers better than everyone else. So the next time you're watching a video or playing a game on your computer, remember that computers can do so much more for you if you just learn to use them like a pro.